he's helping his defenders at least. Somebody going.
Don't let it bounce.
Maran, come on.
Unlucky.
Come
Well
on, let's
done.
go.
Well done. Through ball. Through ball.
Oh, yes. Oh, man.
You should be taking that free kick. He's scared of taking free kicks, Ryan. Oh, he pass him, pass him, pass him. Take a finish, finish, finish. It's in, it's in. Well done, Ryan.
Did you get this one?
I think so. Yeah, I did. He's a finisher, he's a striker.
No,
But this is good to play midfield, isn't it?
that's what really 10 minutes.
Yeah. I told him he can score more goals from midfield. He's almost on a hat trick now. I mean, look at the Boston.